You don't need a productivity system. You just need to delete 90% of what's stealing your mind. You open your phone to reply to one text, but suddenly it's 3 hours later. You're deep into a real spiral, switching between 5 apps, feeling empty, annoyed, anxious, like you forgot something important because you did, your own brain. No one tells you this, but the digital chaos you're drowning in is designed to override your mind's focus system. It's not a willpower issue, it's an environment issue. Every time your phone buzzes, every time the screen lights up, your brain is hijacked into someone else's agenda. And then you wonder, why do I feel tired, foggy, and unmotivated? This isn't about deleting Instagram or going full monk mode. It's about running a small experiment that resets your mind for clarity. I call it the minimalistic mind shift. Step 1. Kill the clutter on your screen. If you need to swipe more than once to find an app, that's a problem. Go one screen only. 6 to 8 apps max. Hide everything else. No shortcuts, no folders, just silence. Step 2. Turn off every notification that isn't from a real person. Not a system, not a sale, not an algorithm. Only humans deserve your attention, not machines. Step 3. Make your phone boring on purpose. Change your wallpaper to black. Disable auto suggestions. Sign out of YouTube, Instagram, whatever pulls you in. If it takes effort to open, your brain stops chasing it mindlessly. Step 4. Clean your digital space. Delete 20+ random screenshots. Clear those 60 browser tabs. Unfollow people you haven't spoken to in years. It's like clearing junk from your room, except this junk is in your headspace. Step 5. Rewire how you start your day. No phone for 60 minutes after waking up. Why? Because the first input you consume in the morning decides how your mind reacts all day. Consume chaos? You become chaos. Start your day without multitasking in your phone, and you will be laser-focused all day. It's tried and tested. You'll stop asking, why can't I focus? And start living like your brain is finally yours again. This isn't a lifestyle, it's a filter. And once your brain adapts to peace, it refuses to go back to noise. If this helped, I would appreciate you subscribing, because this channel is new and it needs your subscriber juice. Thank you.